How does emotion affect decision making?
So in the immediate, there's a number of mechanisms for this, but in the immediacy, if you're stressed at the time, what we tend to do is go to kind of habitual decisions. In other words, something that we know has worked in the past. Now, back to our evolutionary past, we're on the plains of the savannah as kind of proto-hominids, and we're faced with a predator. Now, what you don't know we're doing is thinking, well, shall I run away or not? There's a predator, threat, run. So as we become more aroused, more anxious, we tend to make decisions very quickly, but in an ill-considered way. It's basically, we don't use very much information to make that decision. We tend to resort to what has worked in the past, but won't necessarily work in the current context.
So are you saying that someone needs to be in not just the right mindset, but the right environment to make the right decision?
Or you learn a skill set.
Okay.
Now the skill set is understanding the relationship between your internal physiological, emotional state and that decision-making process. So if you can recognise, oh my God, I'm getting a bit stressed right now, my mouth's gone dry or my heart's starting to rate, and you just question yourself, it's okay, we'll take the magic half second here. I know I'm getting stressed. I know that might lead me to make a habitual or decide to do something habitual. Can I take a step back? Wait a second.
Okay.
For the stress to die down, the anxiety to die down, and to get back into a mindset where I have a considered response, not a habitual one.
So are these skills that we need to learn?
We can express it as a skill, and it is learnable, yes.
Right, okay.